Hi guys. I just wanted to update from my video on Friday, which was day 60. So Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday would be day 63. I'm sorry, my daughter just walked in. I just wanted to update and let you guys know that it was a truly a good visit. It was a little funny. And I'll share this because someone else might go through it, but our son probably waited on us for a good 15, 20 minutes after they called him down. They put him in a room. We had 4 hour special visit as promised. And my baby girl was fine. It was me and my daughter that was holding up the visit. We had underwire in our bras. And so we kept setting off the metal detector. And so we had to figure out a way to go back to the vehicle, put our shoes back on, put everything back on, go back to the vehicle and figure out a way to get that wire out of our bras, or we just couldn't wear a bra. And damn it, I was determined to see my son. So if I had to go in there with my titties hanging, and I did not care because I didn't drive all that way not to be able to see my son. So, needless to say, we finally made it in and we had our visit with our son. We had snacks and soda and we just talked and laughed. And our son shared with us some of the things that he was going through and has experienced and things like that. He did tell me that he didn't tell me until Saturday that his belongings, that his letters and pictures and things like that that we had sent him while he was at Bell County, and I guess apparently his clothes were at still at Bell County at the Loop, and if I would go get them when I got back. Well, I tried yesterday calling. I finally got through today. Talked to one of the sergeants that I had grown pretty fond of when we would go out to visit. And I mean, it's material things. The suit that we had gotten him to appear in court was pretty expensive. And I mean, it's just the principle of the thing that you don't know things, and that is why I have opted to share as much as I possibly can with you guys out there. But I was really disappointed today talking to her, and she went to the back and came back and told me that they only hold this stuff 10, maybe 15 days, and then they donate it. So apparently, my son's suit, his shoes, everything gone. The letters, the pictures, the letters and stuff that my daughter sent, my baby girl, he really wanted those pictures that she had sent. And I was just really disappointed. My heart was just, and I know it's material things. And when he gets out, I'll get him any kind of suit that he wants. It's just the principle. It's just the fact that you don't know. And it was too late once I found out. Who knows where his glasses are? I still have to figure out where those are. I forgot to ask him on Saturday where his eyeglasses are. So who knows where those are? But she said there was nothing else of value. And when she means of value, they don't consider clothes and things like that of value. And so she got back on the phone and told me there was nothing there in the property left for him. I did get good news. I believe the same day that I recorded the video on Friday, that I was contacted by one of the detectives, and he did say that as far as his belongings from the case that they've had since back this summer, I'll be able to get those and make an appointment and get those back this week. So I'm pretty excited about that, to get it back. So I just wanted to encourage you all to, again, always knowledge is power. Make sure that you inquire, ask plenty of questions, make phone calls, and don't think that you're not entitled to have their property back, because you are. It just depends on what it's being used for. Now, things like that, when they take him and they take him and put him in jail. It didn't even dawn on me that, or the day that I went out there and found out that he had been moved or gone, would have been the ideal day, had I known the ideal day that day, to go ahead and ask for his personal property. Okay, but anyway, we had a great visit. The people there at the facility were more than nice. The guards were cooperative. I mean, they just helped us. I mean, we were making so many little mistakes, like with the bra and things like that. But they just walked us through and helped us. And Isaiah had to go to the bathroom during our visit. They made sure they cleared everything, let him go to the bathroom, and then come back and visit with us and stuff like that. So we we are basically my husband and I added up just our little expenses that we had on Saturday, and we're going to keep track of that and just kind of get a roundabout figure of how much this, things like this really cost. I shared with you guys as far as the cost for medication and things like that, that they have to take. Commissary. Oh yeah, and that's another thing too. When they whisk them away in the middle of the night like that, if they have commissary, anything like that they bought, they get rid of all that stuff if you don't go pick it up, or either they donate it. So I pray that there's a young man, possibly that'll come along, that won't have a suit to wear to court, and he'll be able to wear that suit and fit my son's shoes. That's all I can do. Is all I can believe is just that it's given back somehow, that it's given back, and that all is not lost, or they just don't throw that stuff out or toss it out or anything like that. So hopefully that is my prayer, that somebody else can benefit from his belongings, and that someone else benefited from his commissary that didn't have. And so, God knows where that stuff is, and who needed it and who needs it the most. Alrighty, that is it for tonight. Take care, and I'll keep you posted. If you have any questions or comments, please post them in the space provided below. And I will put some links on there. And if you, it took me a while to find out that number to that front desk out there at Bell County at what they call the Loop. So if you're here in the Killeen area, and if you find yourself for some reason needing to get a hold of that desk out there, I have the direct number. It took me 2 days to get it, but I found it. Alrighty, take care. Good night. Remember, knowledge is power. Iron sharpens iron. Help someone. Help someone else along the way. Maybe deposit in their commissary accounts. If you have the money or the means to assist a young man or a woman with a lawyer or legal representation, by all means, do what you can. Do what you can, so our young people, our youth, and our young adults don't feel like they are going this alone. And take care, and till the next video. Remember, parents of incarcerated, we are at Mothers for Sons on Twitter. And don't forget to join our new Facebook group, Parents of Incarcerated Sons and Daughters. We'd love to have you. We have a forum every Wednesday night where we come and we ask questions, we mingle, we talk, we share our ideas, we share our fears, we share our thoughts, we share our laughter. All right, peace.